Welcome back to English Pop. Today, I want to ask you a simple question. Have you ever felt that you can understand English, but when you try to speak, your mind suddenly becomes blank? If your answer is yes, don't worry. You are not alone. Millions of English learners face the same problem. They study for months, sometimes even for years, but they still don't feel confident while speaking. Many people think, maybe my memory is weak. Some people think, maybe I'm too old to learn English. And others believe, only talented people can become fluent. But the truth is completely different. Fluent English is not about talent. It is about building the right habits every single day. Today, in this lesson, I will share simple but powerful habits that can completely change the way you learn English. Everything will be explained in easy English, so beginners can understand comfortably. So, relax, stay focused, and let's begin. The first habit is to spend time with English every single day. Many learners make one common mistake. They study with full motivation on Monday. Then they stop for 2 or 3 days. Then they study again. And once again, they stop. This cycle continues again and again. Because of this, their progress becomes very slow. Your brain learns languages through repetition. When you use English every day, your brain slowly becomes familiar with the language. But when you stop practicing for many days, your brain starts forgetting what it learned. That is why consistency is more important than studying for long hours. You don't need to study for 6 or 7 hours every day. Even 30 minutes of focused practice can create amazing results if you do it regularly. Small daily efforts become big improvements after a few months. The second habit is to make English a part of your daily routine. Don't think that English exists only inside books. Bring English into your real life. When you wake up in the morning, think in English. Say, "Good morning. Today will be a productive day." While brushing your teeth, describe what you're doing. Say, "I'm brushing my teeth. I'm getting ready. I am feeling fresh." These may look like very small sentences, but they train your brain to think directly in English. The more you do this, the more natural English becomes. The third habit is listening carefully. Many learners want to speak fluently, but they don't spend enough time listening. Remember this. Good speakers are always good listeners first. When you listen to English every day, your brain starts understanding pronunciation, sentence patterns, and natural expressions. At first, you may understand only a few words. That is completely normal. Don't stop listening every single day. Your understanding becomes a little better. Slowly, those difficult sounds become familiar. Choose simple English videos, podcasts, or conversations. Listen with full attention. Don't just play them in the background. Notice how words are pronounced. Notice where speakers pause. Notice how sentences connect naturally. Your ears are training your brain, even when you don't realize it. The fourth habit is speaking out loud. Many learners read silently. They listen silently. They even memorize silently, but they almost never speak. Then, one day, they try to have a conversation, and they cannot speak confidently. Why? Because speaking is a skill, and every skill needs practice. Your mouth, your tongue, and your voice must get used to speaking English. Start with simple sentences. Read one paragraph loudly every day. Repeat after native speakers. Copy their pronunciation. Don't worry if your voice sounds different. The goal is not perfection. The goal is improvement. Every time you speak, your confidence grows. Another powerful exercise is talking to yourself. Yes, talk to yourself in English. Describe your room. Describe your plans. Describe your daily activities. For example, I am sitting in my room. I am learning English. I want to become fluent. Simple speaking practice, done every day, creates powerful results. The fifth habit is learning useful vocabulary. Many learners waste time memorizing difficult words that they never use. Instead, learn words that you can use every single day. Words related to food, family, travel, shopping, work, school, health, and daily conversations. Even better, learn complete sentences instead of single words. For example, don't only learn the word hungry, learn the sentence. I'm really hungry right now. Don't only learn busy, learn I'm busy at the moment. This method helps your brain remember vocabulary naturally instead of remembering isolated words. You remember complete ideas, and when you speak, those ideas come into your mind much faster. The sixth habit is to stop translating everything. Many learners first think in their own language and then translate every sentence into English. This makes speaking slow and stressful. Instead, start thinking directly in simple English. Don't begin with long sentences. Begin with easy thoughts. I'm happy. I'm tired. I need some water. The weather is beautiful. Small thoughts, repeated every day, teach your brain to use English naturally. Over time, you will notice something amazing. You will start answering simple questions without translating inside your mind. That is one of the biggest signs that your English is improving. The seventh habit is simple. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they want perfect English. But perfect English is not the goal. Communication is the goal. Every fluent speaker made mistakes while learning. So speak confidently, learn from your mistakes, and keep improving. The eighth habit is reading every day. Read simple English stories, short articles, or easy conversations. Reading helps you learn new vocabulary, natural sentence patterns, and better grammar. Read slowly, understand the meaning, and read important sentences aloud. The ninth habit is reviewing what you learn. Many learners keep learning new words, but never revise them. As a result, they forget quickly. Spend just 5 minutes reviewing yesterday's vocabulary. Repetition makes memory stronger. The 10th habit is enjoying the learning process. Learn English through topics you love. Watch interesting videos, listen to podcasts, or read about your hobbies. When learning becomes enjoyable, staying consistent becomes much easier. And finally, believe in yourself. Never say, "My English is too weak." Instead say, "I am improving every day. I can become fluent." Positive thinking creates confidence. Confidence creates action. And action creates results. Always remember, fluency does not happen overnight. It grows, one day at a time. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak, and every minute you practice takes you closer to your goal. So don't stop. Keep listening, keep reading, keep speaking, keep practicing.